In this CapCut mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to make your text turn into sand and disappear using a built-in text animation. Let's go step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your title or caption. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that works well for this effect. Bold or thick fonts usually look best because the sand particles are more visible as the text breaks apart. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how the text exits the screen. Scroll through the options and apply the animation that makes the text break apart, like sand. As soon as you apply it, you'll see your text dissolve into tiny sand-like particles and fade away. To control the speed of the sand effect, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a slow, cinematic sand dissolve. Drag the slider to the right for a fast, dramatic sand break. Preview the animation and adjust the duration until it matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully created a turn to sand text disappear effect in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.